Hi, I'm Alex Robinson, a research analyst with Decision Innovation Solutions, and today I'm talking about a project that we did with the Hero Group on a low carbon fuel standard in Minnesota using InPlan, which is an input-output modeling system, where we were able to estimate that the economic impact that a low carbon fuels ban would have on the Minnesota economy, agricultural producers, and the Minnesota trucking industry. To begin, we started with a preliminary economic contribution study on the biofuels industry, specifically looking at ethanol and biodiesel, and looking at just the impact that that has on Minnesota. For the economic impact study, we broke down how a low carbon fuel standard would increase compliance costs that both ag producers and anyone that is in the industry would have to deal with by improving structures, improving storage to reach the new standards that would be set by the new law. And when we did this, we saw that overall there would be over $2 billion losses for the entire state through increased compliance costs, construction costs, and other factors that that the industry currently isn't built to support, and that would go on to hurt farmers as well.